Grocery shopping.
Honey, let's make this quick. We need milk, eggs, bread, fresh vegetables, fruit, and something for dinner tonight. Can you grab the milk from the dairy section while I head to produce for tomatoes and lettuce?
Sure thing. Whole milk or low fat like last time?
Low fat. Definitely. The kids have been drinking more lately. Oh, and pick up some Greek yogurt. Strawberry flavor for them and plain for us.
Got it. Hey, look at these apples. They're on sale, nice and crisp. Should we get a bag?
Yes, Granny Smith apples. They're perfect for baking and snacks. What do you think about chicken for dinner? Maybe grilled with some herbs.
Sounds delicious. There's a good deal on organic chicken breasts over here. Let's take 2 packs.
Perfect. We're almost out of cereal, too. The kids keep asking for that chocolate one, but I'd rather get something healthier.
How about we compromise? 1 box of the sugary stuff and 1 box of oats or multigrain.
Deal. That way everyone's happy. Don't forget toilet paper and paper towels. We're running low.
Already tossed them in the cart. What about cheese? Cheddar for sandwiches.
Yes, sharp cheddar. And some mozzarella for pizza night this weekend.
Good call. I think we have pasta at home. Bananas too. They look ripe.
Grab a bunch. Okay, let's see the list again. Snacks? Maybe some nuts or granola bars.
Almonds are healthy. I'll get those. Total should still be reasonable if we avoid impulse buys.
You're right. No candy aisle today. Let's head to checkout.
Great teamwork as always.